Meet Grok, an early human trying to survive in a dangerous world. As he searches for food, he suddenly hears a rustle in the tall grass nearby. Grok's brain immediately starts trying to connect the dots, a process we call patternicity. His mind races, searching for a meaningful pattern behind the sound. At the same time, Grok's agenticity kicks in, the tendency to infuse patterns with meaning and intention. His instincts tell him there's a hidden agent at work here. In Grok's world, it pays to be paranoid. Assuming the rustle is a hungry predator, and being wrong is better than assuming it's nothing and becoming lunch. These instincts, patternicity and agenticity, are hardwired into Grok's brain by evolution. They help him survive by detecting potential threats and inferring the intentions of other animals and humans. In the modern world, we've inherited Grok's brain, with its tendency to see patterns and agents everywhere. But these instincts can mislead us, making us see conspiracies and supernatural forces where none exist. Luckily, we have a tool Grok didn't: science. Science employs rigorous methods to test our pattern-seeking instincts against empirical evidence. The scientific method starts with the null hypothesis, the assumption that the pattern we think we see isn't really there until proven otherwise. To prove a pattern is real, science demands statistically significant results, typically with a confidence level of 95% or higher. This helps weed out false positives, patterns that look real but are just coincidence. Science also uses techniques like blind experiments and peer review to control for our biases and preconceptions. By constantly challenging and testing our ideas, science helps us refine our pattern detection and separate fact from fiction. So while we can't eliminate our brain's love of patterns and agents, we can use science to keep it in check. By demanding hard evidence and rigorous proof, we can update our beliefs to match reality. You can learn more about how our brains are wired to find patterns and meaning in the world in Michael Shermer's book, The Believing Brain: From Ghosts and Gods to Politics and Conspiracies, How We Construct Beliefs and Reinforce Them as Truths. The audio summary is available now in the Book Vault.